when you've got a minibus, first thing you got to do is debus it and need to get all the seats out. The one I'm on is only held on by those special clips that go into the rails on the floor, but the others are all bolted down. This is going to be fun. Now you've nailed it on, you think that's great, and it just falls off on you. Right. You right? Now we go into the one at the back on the inside near the wheel arch now. That's the seats out. At least we can get on the lining now. The one at the front is only held on by a hand fastener onto these rails, so there's somewhere to have a rest along the way. Only a couple of injuries, so that's not too bad. And we only had to angle grind one bolt out, which is absolutely amazing. Thank God we didn't have 17 seats, only 5, but God, that was enough. Might have actually been only 4, it felt like 5. If you've enjoyed this video, why not subscribe, follow along with our adventures on this project and others, but thanks for watching anyway.